Every metal around us hides a secret world invisible, powerful, alive. Beneath the surface, a faint metallic glow hints at hidden complexity, while shimmering scratches and reflections reveal only glimpses of what lies within. Under magnification, steel transforms into a glowing geometric map, tight, polygonal grains. Copper and gold reveal different patterns. Copper's grains stretch wide and fluid. Gold shimmer with intricate, delicate crystals. Each metal is more than a single solid block. Each is a network of countless microscopic crystals, each with its own shape, arrangement, and story. As heat rises, each metal's internal architecture begins to change. In steel, copper, and gold, crystal boundaries soften and lose definition. The orderly structures blur as atomic bonds loosen, the grains merge and shift, and the metals grow malleable, ready for transformation. Cooling brings renewal. Shock cooling sparks new crystal seeds, which ignite and expand into sharp grains. Steel forms dense blue-silver polygons. Copper reveals broad, reddish-orange grains. Gold blossoms with bright, fractal yellow crystals. The cooling rate and composition shape each metal's unique crystal universe. Side by side, their personalities emerge. Steel bends and resists tight grains, give it strength and resilience. Copper flexes, large grains stretch and conduct electricity. Gold deforms easily as soft crystals flow and shine, perfect for intricate ornamentation. The harmony of crystals defines how each metal behaves. Return to the crystal macro worlds. As we pull back, these hidden architectures give rise to the forged steel blade, the winding copper coil, the gleaming gold ornament. The power and beauty of metal are born in a secret world where millions of crystals move as one. Tiny Facts Studio Cinematic Science Stories.